It is used for performing certain operation on the data. Now here I am going to say expression. How many operators are there? I'm talking about what? Expressions. Coming to the point of it, what do you mean by this expression? I'm going to discuss. An expression is a collection of objects, or nothing but what? Variables connected with an operator. Connected with an operator is called what? Expression. Or in other words, if I just write it, if collection of objects or what also variables connected with an operator, then it is called expression. We can call it as what? Expression. So if we look into that, C is equal to A plus B. This connector plus is connecting this variable A and variable B. This is known as what? Expression. Yesterday we have seen area of circle is equal to area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth I am going to write it. So length into breadth is called what here? It is also called one expression. Any variables are connected with an operator, we call it as what? Expression. Important students. So coming to the point back, there I am going to discuss in Python programming, we have 7 types of operators. They are, one by one I will write it. Look into that. Number one is called I'm going to write it. Carefully follow, students. So 7 types of operators. Number one is called arithmetic operators. Don't think that arithmetic operators which we know already. What you know, what I am going to discuss is completely different. What you know, it's there in 5%, and the rest of the percent I am going to explain to you, which is most important for everybody to learn it. Next, second one is called what you know, assignment operator. Assignment operator, only one operator. There I will talk about varieties of assignment operators. Third one is called what you know, relational operators. I'm going to discuss. And the fourth one I'm going to discuss. There are so many things I'm going to discuss inside. Next is called logical operators. These are also known as comparison operators, we can call. Comparison operators. This is also we call it as a comparison operator. This is also called a comparison operator, but there is a difference is there. Next, the fifth one is called the most important, and nobody knows. You also don't know, and the people who taught to you these operators also don't know. That is called bitwise operators. This is most important. Nobody knows properly. Properly is what? They don't know anything about it. Including students who know C language in this class, they also don't know what is bitwise operators. I will explain in detail about those kind of things, right? Next, I am going to talk about sixth one is called what you know, membership operators. Membership operators we will explain. Inside of the membership operators, A, in operator, and the next is opposite to in, not in operator. What are these called? Membership operators. What is in and not in is called membership operators. Next, I will talk about the seventh one, identity operators. Identity operators, there is two things are there. Is and then is not. Is an operator. Opposite to is called what? Is not. Membership operators in and not in. Identity operators are is and is not. These are the operators. Okay. And here, one note point I want to give it, students. Something I will write it. In further, I will write something Shorthand operators also I will explain. Shorthand operators also I will explain. And dear students, shorthand operators will be coming along with this existing operators only. Don't worry about it. It is a note number 1. You must notice it. So number 1, I will discuss in the further about what? Shorthand operators. From here only I will prepare some special operator called shorthand operators. Note number 2. Note number 2 I am going to say. What is the note number 2, sir? Note number 2. Those who know C language, there is a pre-increment and pre-decrement operators are there. Pre-increment and what? Pre-decrement operators are there. Pre-decrement operators are there. That you are already aware of it, I hope so. I don't know how many of you know C language and C++, I don't know. Minus and plus. How many of you know C language here? How many of you know C language here? You know C language. Can you stand up once? Plus, minus, you know. Okay. Now I will ask one question. A is equal to 10 on the board. Plus A plus. What is the value of A?
11.
What is the value of A? Come on. 11. Okay. Then next I will write it. A is equal to 10 plus A. What is the value of A? Silence. 11. What is the difference then? I wrote already, my dear student. Are they same? Are they same? అవి రెండు ఒకటేనా? కానప్పుడు మరి ఆన్సర్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది సేమ్? అర్థమైందా? ఓకే, కూర్చోకూడదు, ఇంకా ఉంది, నీకు ఉంది. ఏ ప్లస్ అండ్ దెన్ ప్లస్ ఏ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ప్రీ ఇంక్రిమెంట్. నేనే రాసాను అక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే మన చెప్పే వాళ్ళంతా ఇలా చెప్తారు. దే పీపుల్ విల్ సే లైక్ దిస్. ప్లస్ ఈజ్ రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్టర్, ఇట్ ఇస్ అ పోస్ట్. ప్లస్ ఈజ్ రిటర్న్ బిఫోర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ప్రీ అని. So you will satisfy, oh, today I am learning new ani. And a person like me is facing an interview, HD cinema can be seen. Are they same or different? Different. But answer is same now. What do you say? Same or different? Same answer. Now I will ask one more question. Now I am asking one more question. A is equal to 1. B is equal to A plus plus. A plus plus. What is the value of A? What is the value of B? What is the value of B? Value of A. ఇక్కడ చూడు. A value 1, B value 2. It is called wrong answer. It is called wrong answer. It is called blunder. See that. So, you want me to execute this? అంటే నువ్వు అనుకుంటావు నేను నేర్చుకున్నది ఇలా, సార్ తేడాగా చెప్తున్నాడని. నువ్వు తేడాగా నేర్చుకున్నావు అని చూపించడానికి ఒక ప్రూఫ్ చూపిస్తాను నేను ఇప్పుడు. కెన్ ఐ షో యూ? ఎస్. సో ఐ విల్ బ్రింగ్ దిస్. Go to C language, C++, Java, .NET, in any language, it is same. Right? Just go to the place. Why I am saying this entire thing is because I want to take some revaluation in the minds of the students. Right? So, student knowledge. So I am going to take it. Here I will copy. What I am copying here? Int A is equal to 1. Int B, I am writing int B. So, your answers I already posted. Your answers already I am having. A is equal to 1 you are saying, and B is equal to what you are saying? 2. Right. You go for that. Now I am writing system.out.println. System.out.println. Value of A is equal to plus A. It's a syntax of Java. It's my favorite topic. It's my career topic. system.out.println of B. B is called what you know. Students in online, listen the class. So coming to the point back, now I will go for keeping it here. See that you gave some answer, which is go to this place, I will say listen the class. So 7 a.m. I will say today operators is my topic name, operators, right? Under that I will save it. I'll save it. .java. Go to the command prompt. Go to that KVR Python 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Operators. C students. Py Java C. Java C. .java. Compilation is done first. Compilation. Now you execute the program now. See the answer what is happening. It is called what? Completely wrong. So do you know plus plus and minus minus? Do you know plus plus and minus minus? Huh? Till you know. You said wrong answer, no? Do you know? Do you know you don't know? You know? Okay. Do you know you don't know? Okay, no, one more point. Still one more, last and final. A is equal to 1 into B is equal to plus plus A plus minus minus A plus A plus plus minus A minus minus plus A plus A minus 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 A minus minus plus A. What is an answer? Don't fix it, I don't know. Actually, our SARs will say this only they will say. But this type of questions you will get it in the industry. Who knows C language here? Sir, if you ask like that, how sir? Subject is less, very bigger. So you thought only like this, right or not? మనకు మన సార్ ఏం చెప్పారు, ఇదే చెప్పారు కదా. మన సార్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడ, ఇది కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇది వచ్చా? Do you know this? No. Here only you committed a mistake. I know that you will answer this correct, but I know that you will not answer this. Right. So Maruti Ganesh is keeping the hand like this and thinking, ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? No problem. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Right. Now we are in where? We are in this place. This is called Chaurasta. We are here. Maruti Ganesh is standing here. Either to go to Java side or Python side or .NET side or Homa. Going to Homa. What to do now? Right. Like that. Okay, students. So subject is power. You please learn it. Why I am saying is, don't come late to the class. And one more time, some of the students, especially my students, standing outside and wasting their time. Coming at 7 o'clock, come to the class and open the notes and read that. Standing outside, even though I'm coming and standing outside, still doing some chit-chatting outside, next time I will see, I will send out of the class. With my own eyes, when my student is doing wrong things outside, I never accept it. Both boys and girls. 2 days, 3 days onwards, I'm observing. Tomorrow onwards, if I see that, out of the class. Even though it is not necessary for me, because in front of our premises, if something is happening like that, we never accept it. Outside, where we cannot see. Okay? This is my subject. Please go to that. Ready, Vasudev, keeping the disappointed. Yes. Because you are most powerful in expressing your emojis. You are most powerful persons in giving your emotions. Right. No problem, students. Unfortunately, this type of operators not there. Such a big expression I wrote now. I'll just tell in 3 seconds how to answer it. Just 3 seconds. Maximum for you 5 seconds. For me 1 or 2 seconds. For you it is 5 seconds required to answer this. When time permits, I will tell you this. I will tell you this. Simple technique I will explain. You will just become master in the plus plus operator, minus minus operator. Once in a class, I will tell you, because even though it is not my topic, it is not a compulsion, I will help you in that area. Okay. So such a type pre-increment and pre-decrement operators are not there in where? Are not there in Python. Well, and next one more note I will write it. One more note I will write it. What is the another note I am writing? What is the another note I am writing? So I said 3. One more thing, Python does not contain ternary operator. Ternary operator. Have you heard about ternary operator? Ternary operator is also there. In your C language, in your C++, question mark colon is called what? Ternary operator. Present in where? Present in where? C, C++, and next is called Java, and what? C#.NET. Not present in where? Not present in Python. Not present in Python. Okay, students. Sir, Python contains what now? I am going to say note number 4. Note number 4. See that. Note number 4 I am going to discuss. Python ternary operator is special, students. It's a great topic. Python programming contains its own ternary operator. Its own ternary operator. Ternary operator called, what is it? Double quotes I am writing. If else operator. If else operator. In our class, in your C language, you learned something. If else condition, etc. If else condition is there. If else operator is there. I am going to talk if statement, if else statement, if else statement, match case statement, so many things I'll explain. This is known as what today? If else operator we can call it as. We can call it as what operator? If else operator. I will explain after my 7 operators are there. I will explain which operator? Python ternary operator I will explain. What is that operator name? If else operator I will explain in detail. Okay, students? Right. How many operators are there in Python? 7 operators are there. What is the first operator? Arithmetic operators. Spell out all of you. Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators. 1 minute. How many membership operators? 2. One is in and not in. Next is called what? Identity operators. Is not. Next what? Shorthand operators are there in Python. What is the shorthand operators in Python? I will explain to you. Don't worry. That's why I will write in the beginning only this list. So under that what? Pre-increment, post-decrement operators are not there in Python. Ternary operator present in C, C++, etc. but not present in Python. And Python programming contains its own ternary operator called what? If else operator. This is my agenda of the topic. How many operators are there now? 7. Now I am going to discuss the first operator. First operator I will discuss. Let me save it in this place. I'll go to that. I will create a notes. In that notes part, I will save this operators and expressions. Very good. Now I am going to discuss about first operator I will explain. So perfectly you will learn it. So, come on students. Jaswant Yadav. Sir, Boolean operators. My dear student. Boolean operators not present in any of the language. I don't know which language you know. Boolean operators are not present in any one of it. Now, new scientist came. Jaswant. Boolean operators invented. Boolean operators are not there. Comparison operators are there, which I already wrote in the notes. Comparison operator means Jaswant, my dear student, 10 greater than 2. Jaswant, please answer my question. Jaswant. Immediate answer I want, Jaswant. What is an answer? Answer is what? And do you know one open secret? Most of the students don't know what is true and false properly, including you also. 10 greater than 2, you are thinking like a scientist. What is the 10 greater than 2? Say, no internal, why are you fearing, students? True na false? True. True. 10 greater, minus 10 greater than, minus 10 greater than something like 2. False. False. Right or not? False. Jaswant, true and false is coming because of what operators? Relational and logical operators. So, let me come to this. Each and every operator, let me come so that you can understand. Jaswant, my dear student Jaswant, did you understand this? Please respond immediately, because otherwise you will think that, okay, Jaswant understand. Because if you go for Boolean operators, if you go to interview, how many operators are there? You will include your own operator also. Because as a student, I also will have that, because when we are students, SAR will say some X, we will add X plus Y, X plus Z, X into Z, we will add our own masala to it. That will become poisonous subject. My advice is, you read my notes thoroughly and represent that only. You don't add your extra subject to it. It's my request for you. Because of adding extra things, on your extra things, new questions will come out of it and you cannot answer it. Okay, na? It's my request. Even me also, when I was a student, without knowing the answer also, we will write additionals in the subject. So we should not go for it. Subject to subject, we need to go for. Straightforward, we need to go for it. That's why, read my notes thoroughly. Now I'm going to enter into the arithmetic operators. So what is arithmetic operator? I will go for it. See, students, I will explain the table. The purpose of always, first thing is purpose. The purpose of arithmetic operators is that to perform what operations? Arithmetic operations such as what? Addition, comma what next? Subtraction, comma what? Multiplication, etc. I'm going to give you so many things. The purpose of arithmetic operators is to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Next, I'm going to say, if collection of what? Variables or what? Objects connected with which operators? Arithmetic operators. Then it is called what? Arithmetic expression we can call. Spell out, ma. Arithmetic expression we can call. So what do you mean by arithmetic expression? People will ask you. If collection of variables or objects connected with what operators? Arithmetic operators, we call it as? Yes. Now I am writing one table. In Python programming, we have 7 arithmetic operators. They are given in the following table. I will write it one table given in the following table. So let me write a table here, students. Let me here write a table. So I am going to write some table, students, and try to follow it carefully. Okay. So not a difficult. Try to follow me carefully. So I am writing one table, students. Just observe it. Now I am writing certain table and try to follow. There I am writing serial number, and next I am writing symbol. Next I am writing what you know, meaning, and I am writing example. As it is, you need to write the notes like this only. Number 1, first operator I am going to discuss, plus. That you already learned in LKG. In my class, no speciality. You already master in that. Right? Fine. What is this is called? Addition. Example, I am going to write it immediately. 10 plus 20. Answer, please. Come on. If 30. మీకు తెలిసింది చెప్పలేక తెలియంది చెప్పలేకుంటే రెండింటికి వేస్ట్ కదా. And don't think that something is hidden inside, sir. That's why we are suspecting to say this answer. Don't feel that. Print of 10 plus 20. Okay, that's it. Second operator is called what? Minus. It is called what? Subtraction. Come on, now answer my question. Print of 10 minus 20. Answer is what? Come on. Minus. Okay, good. Good. Now third one I am going to say, and nothing is my specialty over there. What is this now? Multiplication. What is this now? Print of 10 into 20. 10 into 20. Answer please. 200. 200 is an answer. Okay. Next, fourth. Here onwards you must be careful, students. This you are already aware of it. 1, 2, 3 already we are aware of it from childhood and days onwards. From my class you need to learn something special here. What is the specialty I am writing? Just I will write the operators. Then I will explain one by one. 1 slash, 1 double slash, 1%, 1%, and 1 double star operator. Double star operator. These are very important. Okay. This plus minus star everybody knows. Everybody knows. What is this 10 plus 20? Arithmetic expression. What is this 10 minus 20? Arithmetic expression. Also called what? Arithmetic expression. Right? L into B. You have already done na? L into B. 2 pi r square. All those things you have done it. Today we are learning something different. This operator slash, single slash and double slash. Very regularly asking question. What is the difference between single slash and double slash? Very regularly asking question. And most of them are not aware of it. What is the difference? It is called what operator? Division operator. Spell out, ma? Right. This division operator always gives float coefficient will be coming into float coefficient will be coming into the picture. So float coefficient will be coming into the picture. What is this float coefficient I am writing here? Print of 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Take care, students. Don't be tension. 10 by 3. 3. Go to our childhood days. 3 3s are 9. What is this? 1. Dot. What will be coming?
0.
Again 3 3s are what? 9. What is this is going to be? 1. Again this one. 3. Again 9. What is this now? 1. Again 3 3 3 3. So going on lifetime also not enough to say this answer. Going on saying so many number of things up to 5. So many things will come. This is known as what? Coefficient we can call. This is called a remainder we can call. This is called what? Come on. Divisor or dividend?
Dividend.
So confused, correct, right? So take care. This is called what today? Float coefficient. So answer is going to come here as what? 3.33333333. Some 5 will be coming. Go to immediately our Python environment because I want to show you immediately. Because this is an important students. Take care by my dear students about that. Now coming to this area here, go to the place here. Now it is going to be what happens. So go to the place of it and say here. Yes. Now see students. Now I am writing A is equal to 10. B is equal to 3. Say some operators here. A plus B arithmetic expression. A minus B arithmetic expression. A star B arithmetic expression. Next I am going to write it what? A slash B. 10 slash 3. What is the answer? 3.33333 etc. It is going to come. Are you able to follow? Next, I am going to write it. This entire thing is going to come over there. This entire thing is coming over here. Are you able to follow this? So coming to the point back. Now I am going to enter into the further. Double slash operator I am going to write it. It is known as what? Floor division we can call. Spell out. Floor division. Floor division we can call. What is this floor division is going to give you? It is going to give you what you know, student. Integer coefficient will be coming. What is going to give you? Integer coefficient will be coming. So it is going to give you integer coefficient will be given. So integer quotient will be given. Okay, I hope you are understanding about what integer quotient will be given. What is an answer here? I'm going to say print of 10/3 will give you the answer called. From this entire place, what is an integer quotient? 3 will be coming. 3 will be coming. What it indicates? Only integer quotient will come. This type of quotient will not be coming. Are you getting my point? Yes. Try to apply the same kind of mechanism. Go to Python environment once. Here I am writing double slash. What is an answer now? 3. Again and again, I don't want to repeat. You should remember like anything. What is the difference between single slash and double slash? Single slash will give you what? Float coefficient. Double slash will give you what coefficient? Integer coefficient. Clear? Yes. Can I go little enhancing that? Can I go ahead of it? Yes. What is the type of A? What is the type of B? Integer. Okay. Take care. Now 10.0 by 3.0. Which slash I am applying? Single slash. Single slash I am applying. Same answer will come. Same answer will come. Right or not? Same thing. What is the type of 10.0? What is the type of 3.0? Here also, what is an answer? 3 is an answer everybody will expect. No doubt in that. But since it is a float data, it will give you 3.0. And don't come and ask me, sir, you said integer quotient. It is an integer quotient only. But representing in which format? Float format. Understand? This is a frequently asked question in interviews. A3, B 3.0 and 3.0. C is called 3.3333335 and D is called what? Syntax error. What is the answer? You must observe. When I apply the double slash between what? Float value, it is going to give you what? Integer coefficient only ends with what? .0. To say that it is a float result. See the result now. What is the answer? Actual result is called this much, but it is giving you what? 3 only, but saying that is a float data, just saying that 0. It is nothing but 3 only now. Yes. Next I will apply once again 10.0 by, this is called what? Integer data. Integers. This is called, both of them are floats. Then float and then integer. Result is called what? Float only. What is the result? Same result. There is no change in where? Single slash. You apply double slash. What is the answer? 3.0 only. Because one float is there or not? What is the result? 3.0. One more time. It is called what 10 point and 3.0 I am saying. What is the answer now? 3 point, same answer. If I apply here also a double slash, what is the answer now? 3.0. Are you able to understand? Now tell me conclusion. Int by int double slash int. Answer is what? Int coefficient. Float by what? Float. What is the answer? Int coefficient only with what? 0. Very important point this is. Float slash what? Int. Float slash int. What is this now? Int coefficient only with 0. Next is called what? Int by what? Int slash. This is also. What is this now? Float. What is the answer now? Integer coefficient with what? 0. Are you okay? Any confusion? No confusion. Why? Because this type of questions are asking in interviews. So by thinking that it is giving integer coefficient, we should not go for 3 is an answer. We have to observe the data. I hope you are understanding. I hope you are understanding about these points. And these points I can give you in the note point. I can give you students. I can give it in the note point. In the note point, I will give you after a few minutes. Under this, I will write as a note. Under that, this operator special note I will give you. So this is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 students. Answer is this one. So next is called what 10/3 Answer is this one. Take care. This is called one small thing. 10 by 3, this is called one more example, because I'm giving in the notes also. I just float this point. This is called what? Integer, float by integer. Same answer like previous. This is an answer like this. And here I'm writing. Here I'm writing. One more example I'm saying. One more example I'm saying. I'm going to say this answer. See students, this is the data like this. So this is specially with what? Especially with what operators? Single slash and double slash with what? Int and float combinations. Int and what? Float combinations. You must be careful enough. Okay, students, come on. I hope you are understanding, students. Did you understand what I'm talking about? Yes. So try to execute it and try to feel that this is an output. Next, I'm going for sixth one. This is known as what? Modulo division we can call. Spell out, students. Modulo division. Modulo division. What is the modulo division? Always gives you remainder will be given always. Spell out, students. Remainder. Spell out, ma. Remainder will be given. So I will say print of 10 percentage what? 3. 10 percentage 3. What is that answer now? Write 10 here. I will write more 10 of 3. 3 3s are 9 and 1 will come. If I apply this percentage operator, that is called a modulo division, it will give you what? Remainder is 1. Suppose, sir, in which cases I will use, sir? In which cases I will use, sir? For example, I am having 180 days. 180 days. I want to convert it into what? Months. Months I want to convert. Months, left out number of days I want to convert. Left out number of days I want to convert. What is this left out? Suppose 186 days are there. So month means what? 30 days, right or not? 30 days or 31 days. 30 days we will be taken as a measurement. So how do you take it? 186 of what? 30. What is this now? 36 180. What are the left out days? 6. 6 is going to be the left out days. 6 months, 6 days. 6 months is going to come because of what? Double slash operator. And the 6 will come because of what? Remainder. Did you understand this point? One more time. For example, they will give you the mechanism as what? They will give you 1423 minutes entered. 1423 minutes. 1423 minutes. 1423 minutes you need to convert into what? Hours. Hours you need to convert. When you convert into hours, some minutes also will left out or not. So minutes, hours is coming is called what? Quotient will come. And the next minutes, left out things are going to come in the form of minutes, 25 minutes, 40 minutes, 22 minutes. That is comes as what? Remainder part. Will you understand? Right. We'll take care, students. We'll take care kind of thing. Suppose there is 27 days are there. Please convert into weeks entered. Weeks. In a week, how many days are there? 7. So I will take it as what? 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. How many days left out? 6. So that means 3 weeks, 6 days. 6 is called what here? Percentage. This is going to be obtained with what? Slash, double slash. Suppose you want to say 3.6 weeks. 3.6 weeks means double slash. Double slash will give you 3 days, 3 weeks, 6 days. Single slash will give you what? 3.6. That is the 3 weeks, 6 days also you can pronounce like this. Did you understand, students? Well, so at that time I will go for this type of things, students. Be careful. Next I am going to say most powerful operator, exponentiation operator, students. Exponentiation operator. This is known as, somebody will call it as a power of operator, we can call. Power of operator. Power of operator. What is that? Sometimes you see, yesterday's class, something like I want to calculate 4 to the power of 6. 4 to the power of 6. What is the meaning of 4 to the power of 6, ma? 4 into 4 into 4 into how many times? 6 times. Is it not our time waste? writing 4 into how many times? 6 times. Is it not time waste? That is called with what operator normally? Multiplication operator. I can do simply 4 star star 6 I can write it. 4 star star 6 I can write it. Are you able to follow? So this will be taken as which operator? Exponentiation operator. Are you understanding? So this is called a power of operator also we can call. Suppose for example, yesterday pi r square is there. How you can write it? 3.14 into r star star 2 you need to use it. R star star 2 you need to use it. What is this r star star 2? R square. Are you able to follow? Easy or difficult? Easy. So this is going to be go to the Python environment and try to apply. 4 to the power of 6 I want to do it. Print of 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into something like normally I am showing into 4. So 6 times I said. This is an answer I got it. Instead of that 4 star star what I can say? 6 I can say. Same answer is coming or not? Which one I will prefer? So whenever there is an exponentiation is coming, I'll go for what? Double star. When I go for multiplication, I'll go for what? So the people will ask you, what is the difference between single star and double star? Single star is called which operator? Multiplication operator. Double star is called what? Exponentiation operator. Double star will contain more priority than what? Single star. Did you understand this? Right. So your performance is additive performance, multiplicative performance, exponential performance. Me performance. Additive performance, multiplicative performance, exponential performance. So not exponential performance. Still you are in this state. So additive performance. Even when you learning subject very well, your package should go to where? Exponential. Exponential is going to be so rapid growth in your subject. Understand? So go to the point back. It is going to be here you have seen it. One more time I am writing. Suppose I want to represent 10 to the power of minus 3. How do you write it now? Mathematically, how do you write it with multiplication operator? This is called 1 by 10 cube or not? That is nothing but 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into like this you need to write it. Which is nothing but 1 by 10,000, 1 by 1000. Which is going to be complicated or not? Yes. Instead of that, I'll just write it into what? 10 star star what? Minus 3 I will write it. 10 star star minus 3 I will write it. How simple it is. 10 star star minus 3 I will write it. You know what is that? 1 by 1000 is nothing but 0.01. Are you able to follow, students? Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I will go to this place. Print of what you know? 10 star star 3 I will write it. It is 1000. Following, students? Right. Coming to our example. Here I am writing exponentiation. Print of 10 star star 3. 10 star star 3. I am writing here as what? 1000. One more example also I will write it. Print of what? 10 star star minus 1, for example. Or star star minus 3. I will write it. What is the answer now, ma? 0.001. One more zero now? 2 zeros. Yes, correct. So now we will go for this is called what? Which operators these are? Come on, spell out. Which operators? How many arithmetic operators are there? 7. What are the 7 operators? Spell out one by one. Arithmetic operator. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute I said. 1 minute I said. This don't read this. Tell the symbols. Plus addition. Like that you need to say. What is that? Plus addition. Minus subtraction.
Star
Multiplication.
slash division, double slash float division,
Yes.
float
Percentage modulo division.
double star exponential.
Double star is called exponentiation. Now I want to go to the program. Understand these operators? And most important operators are these kind of operators. These are the most important operators. These are already you know already. I need not to tell you specially. And regarding these floating point combinations, these are important guys. Don't make anything difficult. Are you able to follow? Right. So Renu, my dear student, you don't know anything about that, ma. Please don't go to that. Because if you unnecessarily ask the doubts, na, I need to go for actual facts. Generally, people are under the impression that without knowing anything, they will put a doubt. They are thinking that it is a power operator. They are thinking that it is a power operator. 10 to the power of 2. It's a blunder. Who said this? I don't know. Because most of the students are getting problem. What is this operator is called in my Python? This is called bitwise exclusive OR operator we can call. Bitwise exclusive OR operator. And unnecessarily if they ask the doubt, now I will get tension about your performance. I said day one, please format your brain, I said. Don't carry your old knowledge, it's the virus, I said. Like this virus. This is called virus. What is this actually? If you go for it, if I say 10 star star 2, unnecessarily I am guiding my students to something wrong. This is called what? 20 people will think. It is called one blunder. Even blunder also very simple word to use it. What is this 10 actually? An answer cheptanu meeku. When I explain this operator, you'll mind blowing explanation I will give you. What is 10 actually? 1010 0010. Answer is called what you know? 0001. This is an answer. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square and then 2 cube. Answer is called 8. Answer is called 8. And without knowing all these things, you will ask what is the used for. If you are a very sincere student, already I told this. Where I told? You did not remember. Because you are not reading the notes. I know that. Huh? Set operators, I used it. Still Renu is asking that question without reading the notes. Go to the operators. Data types you go. And when you go for that, irrespective of that, if you ask predefined functions in set, Renu, follow me. Now coming to the point of it. Special examples I told you. There I taught to you. This one, bitwise AND operator. You see here, where is it? Something like this place. Symmetric difference place. You see, here I used it. Are you following? Without knowing anything, if you put the doubt, I will feel something very much disappointed for it. So what is this now? Bitwise XOR. Go to that. Renu is asking the doubt. Print of what? 10 exclusive OR operator of 2. What is the answer is coming? 8, which I explained just now. And what normal student is thinking? 20 they are thinking. That's why students are not getting job. That's why subject is different. What you are thinking is different. That's why we should not carry our old knowledge. If I become a chief minister, 5th class only Python I will introduce. Because 5th class you are a very good student. Correct or not? So 5th class knowledge is enough to learn Python. Correct? 5 years you will learn Python, Java, up to 10th class, 15 years you will become a software engineer. Enough. Correct? Next elections you elect me. Okay, voter is there, voter list, your name is there. Thinking now. Okay. So coming to the point, students. So Renu, did you understand, ma? So don't ask the type of doubts, ma. I will explain that. So coming to the point back. Now I'm going to introduce another kind of discussion. Okay. Go to the place. Now where it is available. That's arithmetic operator. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Are you keeping a separate book for writing the questions? Are you writing the notes daily? Online students, are you writing the notes daily? Write down. Write a Python program which will demonstrate the functionality of 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 why not? Are you writing notes or not? Which will demonstrate the functionality of arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Yes. Now let me go to the arithmetic operators. So where I can do my program now? Ideally, and one more is PyCharm. Have installed PyCharm in your systems? Is it working? Right. Are you comfortable with that? Now I am opening PyCharm. I am opening PyCharm. Now, today I will tell you some extra information to you. Some extra information I will tell you. Okay. Now coming to back, let me close my previous things. I'll close it. See, I'll close my existing project, close this project, and let us open a new project. What is the new project? 7 a.m. 7 a.m. operators. 7 a.m. operators is your topic name. It's your project name. It's your virtual environment name. Inside of it, I will write the code. So once it is created, remove that main, select your project name, and then say right click and say new, What I'm writing? Python file. There I will give it what? AOP. AOP. I will write it. AOP example1.py. AOP example1.py. Say this now, which is ready. Now I will start writing the code. Just watch it. Just watch it. A is equal to int of input of enter value of A. Enter value of A. Are you able to follow? Next I will write it. B is equal to enter input of enter value of B. Enter value of B. So I'm writing B. Well, two values are ready with me. Now I want to say one bigger, good presentation purpose I will take this. Good presentation purpose I will take this. Okay. See, now I will take it. Print of, what is this now? Result of which operators? Result of which operators? Arithmetic operators. Result of arithmetic operators. So I'm going to write it. Result of arithmetic operators. Okay, students. Now I'm going to take up inside of it. I will write it. Inside of it, I will write my statements. Dear students, please careful. What is my answer now? Sum of, careful students, sum of comma is equal to, try to understand, dot format of A comma B comma A plus B. C. What is the C? C on the do you have C there? If I write C there, what is an answer is coming? Red underline is coming. Red underline means what? Name error. Here, you have to catch my point, students. A plus B. What is this operator? Now I am saying plus operator. Sum. In place of plus operator, what is substituted? A. In the place of this place, and in the place of A plus B, in this place, what is the result? A plus B. Right or not? Please run this code. Please run this code. See this. So, run this code. AOP example 1. See the result, students. Once you see the result here, enter the value of A, enter the value of B. Answer is called what? Sum of 10 comma 3 is equal to 13. So the result is printed here. Suppose you want to print the result in the middle of the screen like this. I will use one backslash T. I will use it. What is that? Backslash T. See, students, I will write backslash T. Backslash T means what? Some tab spaces. It is a C language kind of things. There are 11 carriage returns are there. 11. Not 11, 15 are there actually. But you know how many? Only 2. Backslash N, backslash T. 15 minus 2, you don't know 13. Will you get the job? Dream logo. In dreams also we don't get it. That's why subject is power, learn everything. Now run it once again, ma. Run it once again. 10 and then 4. What is that now? You see it is going to be maintaining some tab space or not? Yes. That's why learn everything more practically, students. Well, now I will go for continue that. Come on, students. Backslash T. Come on. Sub of comma is equal to dot format of what? A comma B comma A minus B. A comma B comma A minus B. I will run it once again. So 10 and then some 20 here. What is the answer is coming? Sub of 10 comma 20 is equal to minus 10. Are you comfortable? Yes. Next I will take it, students. Print of backslash t. See, everything I am typing, I can copy paste and I can do something, but I don't do. I will type everything so that you can understand much better. So, so Vandana is asking, sir, can't it accept double tap space like backslash t, backslash t? So Vandana also must write imposition. So backslash t will give you what? Double tap spaces. After taking one 7-up or sprite, you will take another sprite. Any problem? You will take 2 sprites, 3 sprites also. You can write 3 double slash t's also, no problem. See students, MUL of Vandana, you see you see that, right? Dot format of what? A comma, B comma, A star B, E star B. Run this code once again. Observe the difference between single slash and then double slash. Double slash. Vandana, are you seeing ma? This is 1 slash backslash t and one more thing is called backslash t. Okay ma? This is called single slash t. Got it? Okay. Now I will use, can I use 1 slash t or any number of slash t's I can use? You can use it. Of course, I can accept it, but please put your little intelligence also. Come on, next after that. What is this? div, I say like this, is equal to like this. Dot format of what? A comma, B comma, A slash B. Now I will take it next. Yes, ma, single slash. Now I will take it as backslash t. What is this now? Floor division of what? Comma, I will write it. Empty curly brace, I will say close is equal to dot format of what? A comma, B comma, what? A slash slash B. Now I will say, what is that? Close bracket, okay. Okay, Madhavi, that is called what? So innocent. So 10 and then what? 3. See, the answer is called what? Spelling mistake that is written inside the double quotes. What is the answer? Float coefficient is coming this one and this is giving you what? Integer. So anything you write in double quotes na, that is going to be nothing will happen. Okay. So if you write normally, suppose format is there. If I miss A if I miss na, immediately it is an error. So programming code you must be perfect students and not spelling mistakes in the double quotes. Okay, anyhow, that also we must write perfectly, no doubt in that. Backslash t. Tell me now, modulo division, mod, I am writing, is equal to what? Dot format of what? Come on. A comma, B comma, what? A percentage B. A percentage B. Next I will write it what? Backslash t. What is this now? Exponentiation of like this, comma like this, is equal to like this. Dot format of what? A comma, B comma, A star star B. What a beautiful subject. Now explain. Run this code. Run this code now. Enter 10 and then 3 answers you see. Sum of, sub of, MUL of, division, floor division, modulus, exponentiation. Are you following? Right. Easy or difficult? Easy. So dead easy. Say some 100 and then say 33. 100 and say 33. You are going to get it. 133, 67 and multiplication and then floor division and modulo, float quotient and integer coefficient, and this is called what? Modulus. And see that 10 to the power of 33, 100 to the power of 33. See how much big result is coming. Is this big result is possible to do it in Java? No. In Python it is possible because Python everything stored in the form of dash. Objects. Objects will have which storage? Unlimited amount of data storage. Did you understand this? Fine. Students in the online, are you comfortable students? All the students are requested to give one confirmation. Are you comfortable with this? Now, I will go for next example. One more example I want to say. Dear students, after getting this acquainted, I will show one more thing. See students, I am clicking this button or not? I am clicking this button or not? What is this button is called? A run button it is called. This is called a run button. When I am clicking this button, inside some code is written or not? Inside some code is written. What is that code? I want to say. Can I say that? Yes. This program, I can also put it into where ideally also I can put it. Let me go to the ideally once, my dear students, because today I want to give you that clarity, ma. Another way of running your program. Always you continue with what? PyCharm. If you want, you can go to ideally also, but preferably go for what? PyCharm. New file, paste it, ma. This you paste it. I did not change any code. Run this. Save it first of all. Save it. So now I am going to say Control S. Save it. So, Indraja, PyCharm is not working in my laptop, sir. It is telling like this app can't run on your PC. Seema, what you have done it, how you installed it, I must know that. Then only it can run. And you have seen it, how I installed it. It is easy, not a difficult. Try once again. So go for what? Operators, I'll save my program. What is this now? AOP example 1.py. Now run this code, run module. Now see that, enter the value of A, 10, and then next is called 4. What is the answer is coming? Arithmetic operators. All the answers are coming or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Shall I move forward? Now, this type of code is saved in where, ma? Is saved in where? D colon, KVR Python 7 AM, operators, and AOP example. So my program is present into this folder. Am I correct? Yes. Because this is a little confusion to the students. I hope it should not be a confusion. Once again, this is a program available or not? What I am running? Run. What I am clicking? Behind run module, what is there? Which code is running? In ideally, which one I am using? In ideally, which one you are using? Run module. In PyCharm, what you are using? Some different type of symbol we are using or not? Yes. So what is that happening behind of these buttons? Behind of those buttons, we are having some sort of tool is there. Behind of that button, there is some sort of tool is there. What is the tool? I just want to tell you. Shall I tell you now? Yes. To run the Python program, there is one tool is there, students. What is the tool name called? Python. What is the tool name? Python. How to use this Python? I'm going to say. So, come on to the point of it. Now I'm going to say arithmetic operators is the program written into go to this place, operators. This program is available in ideally. I want to run this program. Where is my program is available? This program available in where? In my folder. I already told you now. Where it is available? In D colon KVR Python 7 AM operators. In this place it is available or not? Yes. How we can run this code? For that, you need another way of running this. I am saying internally behind the run module, behind that run button, what is there? I am trying to say. Go to the command prompt. What is my command prompt here? Windows command prompt. I need to go for it. Do you know how to go to Windows command prompt? How you can go to the Windows command prompt? You can go to start button. You can type it as what? CMD. My keyboard is not working. Just can you call them? Okay, it is working. Because after typing, it is coming after 2 months. So my system is also getting struck. Daily Python, one day want rest. So CMD, is it command prompt is there or not? So click on that. It is coming to this place. Right click on that. Say properties. Go to this. Bold fonts. Like it is showing. One more way is there to go to the command prompt. What is that? Windows R. Windows button is there in your system or not? That is nothing but R, letter R you need to. Windows parallelly R. You say CMD is available there. Type CMD. It is going to the Windows command prompt directly. And you know, such a small thing, student will struggle like anything. Such a small thing, student will struggle like anything. Where is my program is available? Where is my program is available? D drive. But where I am in now? I will go to where D drive. I will say what? D colon I will say. D colon I will say. It is shifted to which drive? D drive. In the D drive, what is my folder name available? See on the top of it. Where is my mouse pointer is pointing? DKVR Python 7 AM. To go to that folder, CD, change directory. What is my folder name? KVR Python 7 AM. It is a general knowledge of your operating system. General knowledge. Change directory. Right? So it is changed to that. In the 7 AM Python AM, what is the subject today? Operators. Operators is also one more folder or not? How do I go to the folder once again? CD operators. CD operators. We are entering into that operators. Inside, what is my program name? AOP example1.py. To see the program present inside of it, there is an option called dir. After all, CD, dir, D colon. You are working when you buy a new mobile, you don't know actually mobile settings and everything. And at 24 hours, night you are learning mobile settings. But after all, this is only 3 commands. CD, dir. You see my program is called what? AOP example1.py. Can I run this code? Yes. See my dear students, how beautiful code it is. If it is ideally, once again I am saying if it is ideally, we are saying what? Run module. If it is a PyCharm, we are going to click what? This green button or not? Behind the run module, behind this green button, what is there? That is my topic today. That is my topic today. To run the Python program, behind of that button clicking, there is a tool is available called what? Python. Python. Your file name you need to give. What is my file name? AOP example1.py. And this is another way of running, and a deep way. When I'm clicking that green button, what is there inside of the green button? I will tell you so many ways to run my Python program, students. But if I tell all at once in one day, you will get confused. So click on that, enter the value of A, C, 10, enter the value of B, 3 you say, answer is coming or not? And behind of that green button, what is written? There is a tool is there called what? Python. What is the Python? Is one of the executable file coming from the Python software only, which is used to run the Python program. Are you okay? Good. Shall I tell you one more way? Yes. What is the Python? Tool. Spell out. Tool used to run the Python program. Well, your name is a big name. Krishna Mohan is your name. So your friends will call it as a Krish or not. Krish. It's nothing but shortcut. What is the big name here? What is the shortcut name you want to give? Come on. Very nice. You are already powerful students. PY file name. What is my file name? AOP example1.py. PY AOP example1.py. What is PY? Is an alias name of what? Python. Alias name is nothing but what? Short name. Nickname. Don't tell in interviews nickname. It is an alias name for what? Python. See students. See students. Enter the value of A 100 and enter the value of A B 3. You see students. Are you getting the answer or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. What is Python and PY? Tools. Used for what purpose? To run my Python program. How many ways are there to run my Python program? 3 ways. One is I can run my program in PyCharm. I can run my program in ideally. I can run my program from command prompt also. Once again, come out of it. Now tell me, how do you go to the command prompt? Windows or command prompt. Where is my program is available? That is an important. In D colon, D comma, no, D colon, CD, your folder name. KVR Python 7am is your folder name. In that folder, there is a subfolder called operators. CD, what is that? Operators. Inside the operators, my program is available. What is my program name? AOP example. AOP example. Come on, what is that? PY. AOP example 1.py. Something like 4 and then 2. Answer is coming or not?
Yes.
Easy or difficult? Easy. Not a difficult at all. Okay. Suppose if you feel difficult about this, okay, leave it. You go for always use this. But remember one thing, when somebody asks you behind this button clicking, what is there? Python tool is there. That Python tool is coming from where? Python software itself. So coming to the point back, where is this Python tool is available, sir? I will tell you. And if you don't get confused, actually I will tell you in the further, but I want to tell you. This Python tool is coming from Python software itself. Where, sir? Go to that. Open. My Python software is available. My Python software is available. Just come out of this once. Come out of this once and go to this place once again. Go to this ideally. Go to Python and Python 3.10. Ideally you see. See open here. Open. Now it is available. My Python software folder is available. Where is my Python software folder is available? You see this address, you take it. You see, students, go to this place. This is my Python software. C colon, users, KVR, app data, local, programs, Python 3.10. And 3.10 is a version. 3.11 is a version. Are you following? In that place, you see, in that place, there is one folder is available. There is one thing is available, students. Under that, take all files once. All files. In that you see, students, Python is there or not? What is this Python? You just see that. What is the Python? What is the Python you see? Application. It is an exe file which is used to run which program? Python program. So behind of that green button, behind of this run module, which tool is available? Yes. Are you understanding this? Right. Take care. This type of representation. I will write that Python tool once again. Nothing to worry about it. Is it understandable, students? In C drive, in users folder, in KVR folder, app data folder, local folder, programs folder, Python 3.10 folder, this is available. Okay. If you are so perfect, student, you can view like this also. You can view like this also. C colon, users colon, KVR colon. What is that now? What is that now? App data. Somewhere else there is an app data is there. Try to find out. Yes. So some hidden file is available. So go to that. It is a hidden file. Correct. So we cannot go to that like that. We can go to like this. Open that ideally. You can get that type of address. Are you able to follow? Yes. This is a way. This is called which operators? Which operators we got it? Arithmetic operators we got it. And in tomorrow class, I will tell you some more examples on arithmetic operators. Then I will go for another operator called what? Assignment operator. Because I told you some extra information today. Python and PY are the tools for running our Python program. Can I stop the class? Shall I stop the class? So, and tomorrow class, I will tell you some more examples on arithmetic operator. Some more examples are there to speak about it. Then I will go for what? Assignment and relational operators, I will go for it. Don't miss the classes and don't come late and don't stand outside when you are coming to the class. Be on time to the class. If you want to speak, speak outside, not in the premises of our institute. Okay, this is my advice. Right, take care, students. So Republic Day also going to be holiday. No holiday is there. The working day. By taking holiday, what you will do? We'll go to Delhi. Huh? Come to the class. Learn the subject. For public day holiday, Sunday holiday, festival holidays, when do you study, students? Right. So take care, students. Now I will go for tomorrow assignment operator, arithmetic operators program. Tomorrow is a working day. No holiday at all. It is a working day. Okay. Take care. Thank you. అట్లా లేదు, పంపించకట్లా. సార్ ఏమన్నాడంటే స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్ భగవాన్. మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్ భగవాన్.
సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ భగవాన్. టెల్ మీ.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు సార్?
యా బాగున్నామ్మా, మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నాను సార్.
టెల్ మీ మా.
సార్ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ సార్, మోడల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ లో సార్ 27 days హౌ మెనీ వీక్స్ చెప్పారు కదా సార్. అదే హౌ మెనీ వీక్స్ అంటే 3 weeks 6 days కదా సార్. సార్ 3 weeks అవుతున్నది మళ్ళీ సార్ ఇంటిజర్ 3 weeks అవుతున్నది 4 division సార్. సార్ 6 days.
So weeks plus, if you want to get weeks plus days, you can go for what? Lower division.
Float quotient
and percent you can use.
Sir.
If you want to get 3.4 days, 3.3 weeks, 4 days dot, if you want any floating point, if you go for normal division, you can apply.
Sir 3.6 weeks అని వచ్చింది కదా.
ఇక్కడ చూడమ్మా, ఇక్కడ చూడు 3.6 అంటే ఇలా సింగిల్ స్లాష్.
సార్ అది యాక్చువల్ డివిజన్ కదా సార్.
అవును, ఫ్లోట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ వస్తుంది.
ఫ్లోట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్. ఓకే సార్.
ఇంటిజర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ will go for exact weeks will come and days will be separate.
Okay sir. Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Right ma.
Sir my expression so good.
Right ma. Thank you my dear student.
Okay sir.
Naresh. My dear student Naresh.
Hi sir, good morning.
Hi Naresh, tell me.
Sir, can you open the PyCharm once? I have one query there.
Python?
PyCharm.
PyCharm, okay.
Yeah. So here you have given some of the curly brackets. So can't we do it without curly brackets when you print the value?
You can print it. I told already many ways in the print statement. I told 5 to 6 syntaxes I told.
Correct. So yeah, without giving that also we can do it.
You can print it. You can print it.
But why we are going for that dot format and
I like this I like this way of writing the code.
Okay, so we can also use it.
That's what I already told you. How many syntaxes I told you? Please read the notes. You will get it. In any of the way you can use it. Already told you, na?
Yeah, I have practiced it. So when you are using this, especially, so I was curious to know why.
Any way you can use it. Any way you can use it. Okay, na?
Yeah. By reading your notes, I tried with some other examples which you had explained me. So that's why. Yeah,
you can use it. Okay. Swapna.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Actually, I have a doubt in PyCharm, sir. Actually, when I'm trying to write the code, it's saying that you need to add the interpreter. How to do it?
See, ma, you have installed, you have downloaded, I hope not installed properly. You have not installed properly.
Okay,
so try
in
to
my
install.
3.7 there, sir.
You are, that's what you are installed old version, ma. You installed old version. You try to install the new version. I already told you in the class now how to install it. So go to that PyCharm download. See on the screen, PyCharm download, JetBrains. Click on this new link. First, which version you already downloaded, ma? Python 3.11 you downloaded?
Just a minute. Actually,
see,
2021 3.1.
No, that is not correct, ma. 2022 you need to take. See on the board.
Actually,
22.
it was installed previously, sir.
That's what
So-
that you remove, ma. Remove that. Uninstall and install this. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Community edition you install it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Praveen Kumar.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Praveen Kumar.
I have a doubt in yesterday's class, sir. We have performed that area of circle, for example, pi is constant value, right?
Hmm.
I have a doubt like how can we represent that constant value along with the description in a single line? For example,
Hmm.
I want to assign the value as well as print the description. For example, the value of pi equal to 3.141.
Pi symbol is not there now. Like this. Print.
For example, I'll assign that variable p equal to 3.141
You can
in a
write it.
single line.
Huh?
In a single line,
You want to print out?
along with the value. Value
You want to
should be
print or what?
considered as
No, you tell
yes.
me what you have done in your program. P is equal to 3 point.
yeah. Assign the variable name as differently and print the value in a separate line, but adding in a single line. Is there any possibility for?
I did not understand your requirement for first of all.
For example, p equal to 3.141 is variable assignment and it is considered as a variable and value. To print this tree, we are using print function, right?
Value of P is equal to, like this you are writing.
Yes. How
Ah.
can we write in a single line both of these?
You can write it like this. You can write it. Value of P is equal, this is called P. Value of P is equal to, directly you can write it, dot format of P, you can, 3.14 you can write it.
Okay.
And if you want to print area also, and
Here 3.14 is
Area.
considered as
of circle is equal to, listen, area of circle is equal to 3.14, this is 1, 3.14 into your R value, what you got it, into R star, R, today's class is R star star 2. R value already you got it now.
yes.
So for this you are getting this, and for this you are getting this. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Can we have any clear explanation of this format function? We are using multiple ways.
Mm-hmm.
Further, do we have any clear explanation for this?
No, this is already completed. Format already completed. That is what is called a final explanation. Because this is all our working multiple times, you'll get these ideas. See, these are all called what? Already completed. This is called the idea should come. By practicing, you'll get this idea.
Yes,
Whatever is explained, that will be continuously using in the entire classes.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Got it.
Gnyaneswar.
Sir, yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma. Make your doubt so
Sir,
fast.
yesterday class, your notes is not uploaded. Actually, in
I will upload, ma. I will upload. Okay, I will upload it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Kalyan.
Yes, sir. Sir, when you started your session, right, sir, I think somehow it was quite fast and I could not catch that. There is a one file, right? Untitled one. Can you click on that one, sir? Just I want to take the first tab, sir, in your notepad, right? You have the first tab untitled one.
This one, huh?
Yeah.
This is only index I wrote. What I am explaining, I write. It's an agenda of this topic.
Okay, sir.
Purpose of operators, express types of operators, examples like. This is called a detailed part of it.